ADRS is an economics modeling and research company that helps governments, institutions, and organizations use quantitative analysis to support policymaking and research. The United Nations Economic Commission for Africa asked ADRS to build an easy-to-use economic model that policy persons with different levels of economics training can use. Oceans is the user-friendly system that ADRS built. Oceans consists of economic models for more than 50 countries and 5 continents and has the capacity to house many more. Each model uses a country-specific input-output table that represents the economy as a whole and at the same time captures the interactions between economic sectors, much like a mosaic that is made of many small pieces. Every country model is built based on its unique input-output dataset, so the generated results will be unique to each country. Oceans is a tool that enables policymakers and analysts to explore the potential macroeconomic and industry effects of various policy options and to specify policy priorities. Oceans gives you the capability to design macroeconomic policy, aggregate industry policy, and individual industry policy. By inputting your policy design into one or more of these options, this web-based tool simulates the policy in order to answer and quantify questions like, if the government increases investment in infrastructure, what are the effects on economic growth and employment? Or, if the country's manufacturing sector expands rapidly, how much extra production and employment will each sector provide? Or, what would happen to economic growth if the demand for the country's exports fell? To demonstrate, let's consider the possibility that the final demand for South African goods and services will grow by 3% next year. What will be the effect on the output and employment of various sectors of the economy? Where will the growth be felt the most and the least? Oceans provides estimates of the potential impacts of your policy choices on the economy and its sectors. That easily, you can see how a 3% expansion of final demand in South Africa will affect the performance of the economy and its sectors in terms of growth, employment, and income. Oceans is a tool that prepares policy for implementation with confidence of the potential outcomes. With Oceans, you're able to transform policy ideas into concrete policy scenarios and show their quantified impacts in terms of economic growth, income, and employment. Oceans offers insight into issues that matter. Thank you for watching.